Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to handle multi-select dropdown with CRUD operation in Angular. Now we are going to the browser. We will see the exact requirement. Here I am binding countries, states and cities. In first video already told how to bind cascading functionality. In this video, if I click on submit, we will get these values into the below grid. If I click on edit, how to bind to the form. Suppose if I click on submit, the selected values are coming into the below grid. If I click on edit, we can modify those values. If I selected India, you can get the India related states. We can change the states also. If I submit, we can update the below one. We can check the code. First thing, we will debug the cascading style functionality, how to handle. If I select country, the country change event will be triggered. We are passing the country ID from HTML. In this getState method, we are fetching total states. After fetching the total states, we are filtering the data based on country ID. In total states, there are 5 records. After fetching based on the country ID, we are getting 3 records. We are loading this state list into the states dropdown. See, we are getting 3 states. If I click on West region, the state change event will be triggered based on the state ID is 3. Now here the get cities, we are getting total cities. There is total 12 cities are there. Based on the state ID, we are filtering the cities. Now we are binding this cities list into the cities dropdown. Now I am selecting city. If I click on the submit, we will see the submit functionality. This is the submit form. If I click on submit, submit form having, there is a 6 controls. 3 controls are related to IDs, 3 controls are related to names. We are showing the names in grids, so that's why we are taking the names also. First we are validating the data. This is the index position. Based on index position, we are modifying the data or we are creating the data. If it is index position is -1, it will get into the else condition and it will consider as a new, it will take the new array, it will push into the submit form list. We are taking the submit list and bind it to the HTML side. See, this is my below table. We are pushing the array into submit form list, then we are binding the related country names, state name and city name. Now click on continue. This is my below grid. If I click on edit, we will see the functionality. I click on edit. First we are fetching the total countries, states and everything. Then we will fetch the modified item from the HTML side. Then we will patch to the particular item into the submit form. Now we will check the output. See, the Singapore and India, and central region Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, Phoenix. If I add some more states, if I click on submit, see, here the index position will be changed because we are modifying the data. The index position is 0. Based on index position, we will update the form values into the submit form list. The submit form list we are iterating in grid. It will automatically bind in below list. This is my functionality. Thank you for watching my video. You can check my code in my blog and Git also.